Our collaborative dictionary, Yes, We Do Care, is the result of a collaborative work where our students record their podcasts, reading the selected words about environment issues. The colors, pages, and words are distributed among our partners. We hope you like it.
Acid rain. It refers to the rain that carries harmful chemicals in quantities due to combustion of substances such as coal and oil. Biodegradable. That it has the ability to decompose naturally and harmlessly. So-called biodegradable packaging helps limit the number of harmful chemicals that are released into the atmosphere. A new national biological service to protect the habitat and biodiversity of species. Carbon monoxide. Poisonous gas is formed by burning carbon, especially in the form of automobile fuel. Carbon dioxide, the gas that forms when coal is burnt or when people or animals breathe out. Climate. The general climatic conditions that are ordinarily found in a particular place. The Mediterranean climate is good for growing citrus and grapes.
Climate change. It means that there has been growing concern about climate change.
Deforestation. The felling of trees in a large area, destruction of forests by people. Deforestation is destroying large areas of rainforests.
Desertification, the process by which the land becomes desert.
Disposable products. Describes an item that is meant to be released.
Drought, a long period in which there is little or no rain. This year's a severe drought has ruined the crops.
Earthquake, a sudden and violent movement of the Earth's surface, sometimes causing great damage.
Endangered species. Endangered birds, plants, species, animals or plants that may soon not exist because there are so few alive now.
The energy from something like electricity or oil which can work like providing light and heat. There are different types of energy: solar, nuclear, hydroelectric. The energy generated by the windmill drives all the drainage pumps.
Energy conservation, the energy conservation process.
Environment. The air, water, and land in which people, animals, and plants live. Certain chemicals have been banned due to their damaging effect on the environment.
Flood. A large amount of water covers an area that is usually dry.
Smoking, strong, unpleasant, and sometimes dangerous gas or smoke. Gasoline fumes always make me feel bad. Natural resource. Things like mineral, forest, coal, etc. Can exist in a place and can be used by people. Some natural recurses, such as natural gas and fossil fuels, cannot be replaced.
Global warming. A gradual rise in global temperature is caused by polluting gases like carbon dioxide that accumulate in the air around the heat and prevent heat from escaping into space.
Greenhouse effect.
An increase in the amount of carbon dioxide and other gases in the atmosphere is believed to be cause of a gradual warming of the Earth's surface. Greenpeace, an organization that fights for the protection of the environment. Renewable energy is the create a form of energy that can be processed again as is its use. Renewable energy, so such as wind and wave energy.
Oil slick. A layer of oil floats over a large area of the sea superfice, usually because an accident has caused it to escape from a ship or container.
Ozone layer. A layer of air high above the Earth containing a large amount of ozone and preventing harmful ultraviolet light from the sun from reaching Earth. Scientists believe that there is a hole in the ozone layer. Pollution. Damage causes to water, air by harmful substances or residues.
Recycle waste. Collect and treat garbage to produce useful materials that can be reused.
Sustainable development.
A development that is causing little or no harm to the environment and that can therefore continue for a long time. A large international meeting was held with the aim of promoting sustainable development in all countries.
Third one, unleaded petrol, describes a type of gasoline or other substance that does not contain lead.
Use up natural resources. The degradation of natural resources is due to human pressure.
33. Volcano. A mountain with a large circular hole at the top through which lava, hot liquid rock, gases, steam, and dust are or have been expelled. Erupting volcanoes discharge massive amounts of dust into the stratosphere.
Unwanted matter or material of any kind is often left over after useful substances or parts have been removed.
Habitat. Lots of animals will become extinct if their natural habitats are destroyed.
Reforestation. Plant 20 trees in our reforestation project and
you will get into our dance party for free.